ZANU PF Harare Province calls for extension of Mnangagwa term beyond 2028. 09 September 2025. Haniani News Online. By a correspondent. ZANU PF Harare Province has ignited outrage after openly calling for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond the 2028 constitutional deadline, a proposal that critics say undermines democracy and erodes Zimbabwe's hard-won constitutional order. Provincial Chairman Godwill's Mnangagwa told delegates that the province had resolved to push for constitutional amendments to extend Mnangagwa's presidency until 2030. The resolution is that President Mnangagwa, in recognition of his sterling service to the nation, should continue in office as the President of Zimbabwe until 2030. Mnangagwa declared, to that end, Harare Metropolitan Province has resolved that the appropriate party and government structures must attend to the necessary changes in the Constitution to enable this extension. He went further, saying Parliament should defer general elections to 2030, one to align with the proposed term extension. Observers and analysts immediately condemned the stance, describing it as unconstitutional and dangerous. This is a dangerous path. You cannot trade people's democratic rights for a few roads and half-finished projects. Zimbabweans deserve free and fair elections, not indefinite extensions, one political analyst said. Mnangagwa attempted to justify the call by pointing to infrastructure projects, such as the Trabablas interchange and hospital upgrades at Paranyatwa and Sally Mugabe, but critics dismissed these as inadequate grounds for subverting the Constitution. The provincial leader also tried to anchor the resolution by congratulating Mnangagwa on assuming the SADC chairmanship and praising the First Lady's campaign against drug abuse. However, the central thrust of the meeting remained the extension of Mnangagwa's rule. Opposition parties and civil society groups have voiced deep skepticism, viewing the proposal as yet another attempt by the ruling party to cling to power at the expense of ordinary citizens.